So we're back online with the daily safari for Spread Hunter, and I thought I would take a peek at two of the big liquidity favorites for the day. On the left, you can see the SPY, which was down a little over 1% for the day. So I think that's right around 3.3 SPY on the SPY, $3.30, and this is the second down day in a row, which has been extremely rare for the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 months at least. And in fact, today and yesterday combined were the two biggest down days back to back since last August, according to my research. And what I wanted to talk about was the volatility in the marketplace. So volatility is climbing for the first time. The VIX is up. I don't know exactly where the VIX is, somewhere around 12 to 13 maybe. But it had been as low as 8.5. And the UVXY, which is 2x the VIX, has been similarly underwater. And it popped. It was up 75 cents today, which doesn't sound like much, but it's 6.5% of the underlying. And I think the biggest problem for the marketplace as prior to today was the tech stocks were taking turns going down. But today they really leaned on the healthcare stocks. And that created a cascade effect across the broad market. Some of the healthcare stocks were down 9 and 10% today. But what I wanted to show was that even with all this volatility, if you look at this SPY spread for expiration on Friday, the 2nd of February, you can see that this $1 spread, which is still 75 cents out of the money, is trading at 40 cents. And in order to get something with a lot of leverage, you have to go up to the 84, 85 line, which seems to be really aggressive. I mean, I'm not saying we can't bounce or we won't bounce, but that's quite a bounce. That's another 20 points up or $2 in the SPYs just to get up to the strike, more than 2. And similarly in the UVXY, the spread that I have highlighted here, the 11.5 put spread, the UVXY goes down when these SPYs go up. But this spread was trading down 14 or 15 cents a little bit earlier, and even though the market didn't quite close on its low, but it was near the lows of the day, this spread started to expand, meaning the UVXY started to go down. I don't know what the high for the day was, but it was substantially above 12, maybe as high as 13 on the day. So the lesson, boys and girls, is that it doesn't appear that this market is giving up the ghost. There's still significant premium in the SPY calls for Friday's expiration. The puts obviously are juiced, but when you see the calls hold up like this, and the other thing is too, you have Microsoft's earnings on Wednesday, and then you have Amazon, Google or Alphabet, and some other big tech stock on Thursday. So Thursday is going to be a real bonanza. I think Apple's also on Thursday. Apple's going to, we're going to have to play this one out, but the horse is bucking a little bit. And there's some action in this stuff, which is extremely good for options traders, for spread traders, when you see these options move around like they have yesterday and today. So that's all we got. We'll check back in with you in a day or two. Thank you very much.